Oh yeah, it's your boy, Big Bob, back again for another little nightly rant, learning AI, future talk. I don't know what this is. This is my journal. I try and be here every day to talk about something related typically to AI. And today, we got a new repo, PIKE-RAG, from Microsoft. They own half of OpenAI, so you know it's going to be hot. They also got a little demo website. We got the actual paper here. Don't know if I'm going to read the actual paper here because it's Friday night. I've cracked my first beer, and I took 150 milligrams of THC a second ago because my back hurts, and I want to sleep good tonight. I got a brand new pillow that's special for my unique injuries I have from coding all day. So let's see if I can get through and learn some things before I get unreasonably high. All right, we've got PIKE-RAG, specialized knowledge and rationale augmented generation. They're doing the little SpongeBob casing right here. Okay, that's how they're getting out the P. The P is the second letter of specialized. Then they're grabbing one of the I's, even though they highlight two. Oh, it's an L, never mind. Then the K from the beginning, and that's not how abbreviate, guys. It's not how it works. Why PIKE-RAG? In recent years, retrieval augmented generation, RAG systems have made significant progress in extending capabilities of LLMs through external retrieval. That's what retrieval augmented means. However, these systems still face challenges in meeting the complex and diverse needs of real-world industry applications. Relying solely on direct retrieval is insufficient for extracting the deep domain knowledge for professional corpora, I should be using that all the time, I guess, and performing logical reasoning. To address this issue, we propose the PIKE-RAG, specialized knowledge and rational augmented generation method. While focusing on extracting, understanding, and applying domain-specific knowledge while building coherent reasoning logic to gradually guide LLMs toward accurate responses. And then look at this. There's lots and lots of little pictures here. How do these all go together? I have no idea. Whoops. We've got domain-specific documents here. File parsing, knowledge extraction, heterogeneous graph. We've got a knowledge stores here, text, embeddings, image, knowledge. We've got industry applications here. We've got knowledge retrieval, text decomposition and coordination, knowledge-centric reasoning. It all makes so much sense when I look at this chart. So PIKE-RAG framework consists mainly of several basic modules, including document parsing, knowledge extraction, knowledge storage, knowledge retrieval, knowledge organization, knowledge-centric reasoning, and task decomposition and coordination. By adjusting the submodules within the main modules, it's possible to achieve a RAG system that focuses on different capabilities to meet the diverse needs of real-world scenarios. Okay, so there's a bunch of modules. These modules, parsing, knowledge extraction, storage, etc. These modules can be adjusted within the main module. They could be in different ways to make them better. Okay, sure. For example, in case patient's historical medical record searching, it focuses on the factual information retrieval capability. So in patient's historical medical record searching, we need to find some historical records for a patient. We're going to really make sure that we need factual information here. We don't need creativity at this time. This is really for patients. We're using a RAG system. We want our answers to be informed by our domain-specific knowledge base. However, since this one is from medical history, we need to focus on the truth. We need to focus on factual information retrieval. So that means that the main challenges are that the understanding and extraction of knowledge are often hindered by inappropriate knowledge segmentation, disrupting semantic coherence, leading to a complex and inefficient retrieval process. Commonly used embedding-based knowledge retrieval is limited by embedding models' ability to align professional terms and aliases, reducing system accuracy. With PIKE-RAG, we can improve the accuracy of knowledge extraction and retrieval by using context-aware segmentation techniques, automatic term label alignment techniques, and multi-granularity knowledge extraction methods during the knowledge extraction process. God, I was going to suggest, why don't you use multi-granularity knowledge extraction methods? But they're saying it right here. Thereby enhancing factual information retrieving capability, as shown in the pipeline below, okay? Knowledge extraction, chunk retrieval, knowledge organization, knowledge-centric QA. Okay, we got documents come in, we extract the knowledge. Great. They turn it into chunks. Great. We're going to organize all those things. Excellent. Now there's some knowledge-centric QA section. This is a question we ask. It goes through the organization. It comes out an answer. For complex tasks like reasonable treatment plans and coping measures suggestions for patients, we have a lot of doctor talk in here. What are you doing, Microsoft? It requires more advanced capabilities. Strong domain-specific knowledge are required to accurately understand the task and sometimes reasonably decompose it. Okay. Advanced data retrieval, processing, and data organization also required for potential tendency prediction, while multi-agents planning will also be useful to take into considerations of both creativity and alliance. Oh, I did not understand the sentence. Let me see if I can understand this again, okay? It says, advanced data retrieval, processing, and organization techniques are also required for potential tendency prediction, while multi-agents planning will also be useful to take considerations of both creativity and reliance. In such case, a richer pipeline below can be initialized to achieve this. Okay, documents come in. Knowledge extraction. There's a task decomposition and coordination task right here that is actually handling the questioning and answering. You can ask for this thing. This thing will decompose the task and handle some coordination. We take the knowledge, we extract it. There's a knowledge retrieval section. Here's the knowledge organization section. Here's the knowledge-centric reasoning section. And then here's a multi-agent planning. The multi-agent planning can go help back to the answers here. That's really the only arrow we have back, it looks like. Everything goes... Okay. So in public benchmarks, or in public benchmark test, PIKE-RAG demonstrates excellent performance on several multi-hop question answering datasets, such as HotPot QA, 2Wiki multi-hop QA, and MusicQ. Compared to the existing benchmark methods, PIKE-RAG excelled in metrics like accuracy and F1 score. On the HotPot QA dataset, PIKE-RAG achieved an accuracy of 87.6%, and on 2Wiki multi-hop QA, it reached 92%. On the more challenging MusicQ dataset, it achieved 59%. These results indicate that PIKE-RAG has significant advantages in handling complex multi-reasoning tasks, especially in scenarios that require integrating multiple source information and performing multi-step reasoning. But this sounds complicated to do. How do we get this stuff set up? RAG, we already got all these RAG problems. Now I got to... Okay. PIKE-RAG has been tested and significantly improved question answering accuracy in fields such as industrial manufacturing, mining, and pharmaceuticals. Those are the exact industries I'm in. That's exactly what I'm interested in. Truthfully, the real business that I'm trying to build is I want to handle mining the materials, taking those materials, manufacturing them into some sort of pills, and then selling those pills to people, and hopefully passing laws that force them to sell the pills, and AI bots that will always answer, you need to buy my pill. So this PIKE-RAG might be perfect for what I need. In the future, we will continue to explore its application in more fields. Additionally, we'll continue to explore other forms of knowledge and logic and their optimal adaptation to specific scenarios. Okay, lovely. We've got a repo here as well. We've got the technical report. We've got an online demo. This thing's just a big old chunk of Python. So what's the worst that could happen? We'll open it up and clone it real fast. PIKE-RAG. Okay, decent size. And let's see what we got here. We got some requirements. Barely, nothing. Come on. OpenAI Markdown. Good. LangChain. I'm out. Never mind. Pickled. Pandas. No. Torch. I'm joking. Okay, so here's PIKE-RAG. Here's some examples. Here's some docs. Here's some Docker files. Or let's go take a look maybe just at... Yeah, let's look at a little evaluate right here. So, whoops. Here's a simple function. Argument parser, open some YAML. We say evaluation workflow. We pass in a config. Okay. What? You can't take me to evaluation workflow. You are a jerk. This is the language we all like here. No, I'm joking. Here we go. Okay. How long is this code? What? 68 lines of code? Wow. And look at this right here. I don't. The 2 extra lines in between. If we get rid of that, then we need to add lines. Sorry, we need 69. Never mind. A init logger, load result JSON lines, init evaluator, run. Okay, run is just calling this. It's all abstracted. Let's see. So here's evaluation. Here's the evaluator itself. Init metrics on round test start, round report, evaluation, metric. It looks like doesn't look super complicated. F1, LLM. Okay. I don't think I'm going to fully understand this one today, but not bad to dive in the code. So the whole code really is it's this document loaders, right? Which is very basic right there. Quick little utils to help load some stuff. Why is it not working? What is going on? Like I'm used to, why wouldn't it let me go back? Okay, I've changed some shortcuts and it's ruining my life right now. Okay, document transfers. We got a filter. We got a splitter. We got a tagger. Knowledge retrievals, mix-ins, query parsers, templates. Wait. Templates are actually little YAML templates. YAML, wouldn't be using that. Offensive to the Norwegians. I never use it. Okay, obviously they got to include some Azure shills inside here for their LLM clients. Here's some different, prompting looks pretty big. Okay, nice. And then here's some different workflows. Overall, so here we go. What does this look like? Here is the QA-IRC chain of thought workflow. What is it? It's QA-IRCOT workflow. And then answer. Here's a little answer. I mean, yeah. I mean, I could spend some time really trying to break this down, but that's not really what we're going to do today. Seems interesting enough, though. So the code looks reasonable. We can actually understand it probably if we go through it and we can dive in and see what bugs are happening. Right now, I've got 5 issues in the repo. Is it more like an early demo? Someone asked 4 hours ago. Someone says unable to create a successful knowledge base. How do you do knowledge extraction? No answer, but good job, Kylan Mountain, trying just to ask here. Currently trying to create a knowledge base and interact with the base and documentation. I've reached the 3rd step. However, it's not working. Of course it's not, okay? It's Microsoft demo. Okay, so here's a little demo they have right here. Which, look, we got stuff moving around here. Okay, so that's cool. I don't know how to use this thing. I also got to turn off, I guess, turn this off so I can see what it's supposed to look like. That did not help. Did it? Actually, it kind of did a little bit. Okay, so specialized knowledge graph. We see this here. So task decomposition. I don't know what clicking it. Okay, so if I click task decomposition, we see this here. This is the task decomposition. Chunk atomizer, chunks, data, query, context, atomic selector, context, generator. Okay, that barely helped me. Here's data collection. Oh, look at this arrow. It's going. Okay, and here's the decomposition trainer. Oh, look at the arrows are moving. Look at the things that are flowing. Okay. I don't know if this demo is helping me any here. All right, this seems interesting. It looks, for me, it looks like something that I really to get my head around because there's just too many concepts. It's like real dense set of concepts showing these here right here. Is I would probably actually have to use this repo, try and get it working and running, and see if I can build something with it, see what the challenges are, and see how this stuff starts breaking down in my mind better. And then from there, I probably would need to actually just hit the RVIX and read the technical actual doc right now and see if it's something related to, you know, or if it would help my life out. It seems a little bit too painful currently. I'm saying that from I mean, this is just my first look at it right now. I just don't know how much maybe if I'm doing something like they used examples of industrial mining or medical stuff, that might be more useful. I'm doing kind of more creative field stuff right now. So I don't know if it would be as useful for me, but definitely something interesting to explore. But really, I gotta dive in. I gotta actually dive in and try this stuff out. So maybe we'll schedule a little stream or something like that to do that later. But at least I got my feet wet a teeny bit, and I kind of know what PIKE-RAG is, just a little bit here. So if anyone knows more than me, they want to teach me, you know, help me out, tell me. If not, I'll be back tomorrow for another video about something AI. If you want me to talk about anything, leave a comment, ask. That's it. Bye.